Welcome or welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail. Welcome to episode 2 of Christmas Sneak Peeks. In this episode, I will show you how I created a DIY flock tree setup, as well as a Glam DIY holiday vignette, which I will use in my holiday decor this year. So, let's get started. I recently went to Target and I found this flocked tree for $5. I looked at it and said I could do something with this, and I've been seeing these flock trees everywhere with the burlap inserted in the burlap vase or burlap bottom, and it's going with the look that I'm going for my Christmas decoration. So I decided to give that a try. I'm also going to be using this vase that I already have. I have had this in my office. I'm going to reuse this or repurpose this for the holiday season. This small piece of Tupperware is just going to be used as a vase riser, for the bigger vase that I'm going to insert the tree in. And this rope here I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I also have this curtain, or remnants of a curtain, that I used part of it for another project that I'm going to use for this one. And of course, my already DIY'd vase that I used, or I'm using now as a console piece. I had it wrapped around, and I had my beaded garland that I had wrapped around it. So I'm gonna, with the holiday season, I'm gonna just change things up a bit. So to begin, I'm going to lay the fabric down on the table, and I'm going to place it flat. I'm then going to put the vase that I have. This vase is a little bit bigger, but your vase can be any size. I'm going to put this Tupperware piece inside so that I can have this rising already. So I'm going to gather the fabric around. Just pull it up. Real simple, real easy. Once I get I don't want to make it too tight. Once I get it the way I want it, I'm going to take this rope and put it around the side. And I'm then going to tie a bow. Don't need to make it too tight. Once I do that, I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to place the vase inside. Make sure it's level. And then I'm going to place the flocked tree inside, and then cover, just insert the rest of the fabric inside of the vase so that you can't see the inside. Fluff out the flocking with the tree. So guys, there you have it. A quick, easy DIY that was very inexpensive, using items I already had in the home. The vase that I put the tree in, the bigger vase that was covered, and the fabric. The only thing that was purchased was this ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, or rope that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this flocked tree here that I got from Target. This next DIY is an ornament centerpiece that I'm going to do for my family room. I purchased several of these clear ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I glued them together using E6000. I wanted to make 3 clusters of varying heights. And the bottom of each one of the clusters was an actual snow globe, which I filled with water to give each cluster some weight. Although I chose to fill each base with water, you can fill each base with anything solid, rocks, or anything that's heavy so that it doesn't move around. The goal here is to provide a solid foundation. I then took the cluster outside and spray painted it in Rust-Oleum's metallic silver. I did 2 coats for each cluster and let it dry. For the taller of the 3 clusters, I completely covered it with glitter and then a top coat of Mod Podge. I took some silver beaded garland, measured the connecting part of the ornament column, and then cut each to size. Once cut, I hot glued each cut of the beaded garland to the narrow sections of the ornament column. For the base of each ornament column, I used silver bling and hot glued all 3 to secure it. Now to put it all together, I'm using an old decorated bamboo tray that I spray painted and added bling around the sides. I've had this tray for quite some time and it has been recycled several times for events. I'm using this flock tool from the Dollar Tree on top to provide a light and festive base to the vignette. I then place each ornament column on the silver tray and position the flock tool around them. Once I get the look I desire, I add 2 bottle brush Christmas trees that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree and spray painted the bottoms silver so that they blend into the vignette better. Now for the finishing touch. I positioned this Believe sign in front of the vignette. This sign was one of 3 in a package also purchased at the Dollar Tree. I really like the end result. This vignette can be used as a festive statement wherever you decide to place it in your home. It provides that warm holiday feel, but with a touch of glam. Be sure to tune in to my next episode of Christmas Sneak Peeks so you can get some more DIY inspiration as we approach the upcoming holiday season. Until the next video, thanks for watching.